Well, hello! Yes, it is me, Beau. This is a formal introduction and a welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're wondering what differentiates me compared to other reviewers out there, and not meaning to throw too many stones, but that's probably what you're wondering. Well, the first thing is I'm authentic and I'm real. I'm never paid for any of my reviews. And so what you see is what you get. I may love something, I may not like something, and I'm gonna tell you about that. I like to say that I put my life on the line so that you don't have to, and in case you're wondering about the little nuances about what I do, well, see all these weapons behind me? I do love Jesus and I'm a missionary all across the world, and I collect weapons wherever I go. So I'm not a violent person, but I do love God and I do love people. I run a nonprofit film studio since 2011. We have gone all over the world from Africa to Nepal, filming for other nonprofits, churches, missionaries out in the bush. Also, what you need to know is that I do teach MMA, I am a professional mime, and then to kind of offset that and pay for groceries, I'm also a part of the Amazon Associates program, which means that I review, I test, I look at different products and options, and if I recommend it, then I'll tell you so. And if you click on the link in the description of each of those videos, I might get a cut of that product. I hope that these videos are informative, are entertaining, and I hope they might save you a little bit of money as I run through and I test these things, because who knows, they may not in fact work, but that's why I'm here.